Oh,
so
yes.
we need to transfer some knowledge and experience from in China as well. We focus on that in this program, and also like disaster management, because in Chiang Mai we also have the earthquake and like disaster like the flooding. So we try to mitigate this problem and deal with it.
Okay.
And the last one, like about the smart system, smart city, we try to establish some high technology in the building, like monitoring, self-monitoring, like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think it is different from what I thought before. Thanks for your explaining. I know more about this program. I thought that before that is we go to some place and go do a construction or something like that. But after you do the explanation, I think maybe right now we try to integrate into the different industry and with the intelligent technology, something like that, right?
Yeah. One point you said that is like the traditional one. Just a common civil engineer. We also have that foundation. Our students graduate from this program. Be sure that we give them anything to they can work in that job like civil engineer. They can build a building, go to the site, to manage the site, to get work done. They all do that. No problem. But we try to add something that up to date, state of the art, like this problem that I told you before.
Yeah, we want to cultivate the student more abilities, not only the common construction, right?
Yes, of course.
That's a good idea. And I think, for example, this major, just now you also mentioned about that we want to open the international program because we want to know more about different ideas from other countries, right? So maybe right now our students is very interested in our program, okay? We suppose that. So maybe the students would like to know in the 4 years bachelor study, what's the study plan for example, the first year, second year, and the third year or fourth year? So what kind of study they can learn?
For the first year, the student will have to pass some basic courses before. So the basic course divided into 3 categories. The first one is the general courses, which includes English and critical writing and reading and information technologies. The second part is the science core courses, which includes math and physics and science. The last one, the third one, is the engineering core courses, which consist of the material. The student have to learn about materials, drawings, programming, mechanics, and workshops. For the second year, they're going to be a little bit more advanced courses, which includes the major level courses, including the reinforced concrete, including the mechanic of the materials, statistics, structural analysis, something like that. The third year is more advanced of that technology, which is including the design, more focused to the design and theoretical problems. The fourth year is the hardest year. The student have to integrate all of their knowledge from year 1, year 2, year 3 into our core courses and the capstone project that they have to studied about the real-world problems and activities or application, real-world applications.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, Ajahn. You give us very detailed, in the 4 years study. So, from my understanding, this major we need to combine the basic knowledge and the practical skills together. Because just now I come to our faculty, I also see the downstairs has one stair or 2 floors to give some workshop or some practical activities to them. What will you lead the students to do about the project?
The student will not only have to know about the theoretical knowledge, they also need to learn about the practical skills of civil engineering, such as workshops, such as the laboratory activities. We also included the study tour and the internships also in our program, so they have to go do the real work with real companies in the co-op programs. Not only that, we also have the term projects for the student to pursue throughout their study times.
Okay.
So we're looking towards more activities for the student to work, not only their theoretical knowledge, but they have to learn how to work together, how to communicate, and how to get things done, basically teamwork.
Okay, so next question. Okay, if students want to join this program, so which kind of students do you prefer to accept